Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to change account in FIFA Mobile. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you have to launch your FIFA Mobile application. And then after that, if you wanted to change your account, first you have to open your settings here. Now look for the gear icon or settings and then tap this link accounts. And then here you can see the accounts that you have linked to your FIFA mobile. So it can be your Facebook, your Google Play Store, Play Games, and others. If you have two accounts, you have to make sure first that the other one is already linked to your FIFA mobile, either your Facebook or your Google Play Store account. So once you're done, you can now exit your FIFA mobile application. And then this time, all you have to do is to simply uninstall this application first. You just have to simply long press and then click uninstall. Once you have uninstalled this application, you can now go to your Google Play Store and then kindly install this FIFA mobile application again. So go to Google Play Store, type FIFA Mobile, and then click install. As easy as that. Now, once done, click open or click play, and it will take you directly to your FIFA Mobile. And then before you proceed or before you play this game again, FIFA Mobile will ask some information, especially about your account. So this will be the time that you will enter your second account or your other account. But first, of course, they will ask for your birth month and year. So you just have to provide that. And then after you enter your birth month and year, now you have to click confirm download. And then once you have downloaded this one, select an account or link an account, play on multiple devices, and save your progress. So it's up to you if you tap guest, Facebook, and play games. And make sure that, like what I've mentioned before, you have already linked your account to any of these social media accounts. Okay, so earlier I linked my FIFA mobile to my Google account or my Google Play Store account. So all I have to do is to tap this one and then yes, click override guest, and then that's it. Now all the information as well as any progress of my account will not be affected if I'm going to link again to another account. So that's how easy it is to change account on FIFA Mobile. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.